Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So from the book Periwinkle, a book of science and technology by Coral Publishers, we have reached on the last chapter of the book, chapter number 11, Air Around Us. So after learning this chapter, students will be able to describe the properties of air, explain the composition of air, describe the uses of air, describe how animals and plants get oxygen to survive, and explain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature. So, what is an atmosphere? Air is present everywhere around us but we cannot see it. हमारे चारों तरफ एयर है लेकिन हम उसे देख नहीं सकते. We feel air when it blows. It is the moving air which makes it possible for you to fly a kite. Okay? When air moves gently, it is called breeze. जब air gently होती है मतलब धीरे धीरे अच्छी हवा बह रही होती है तो हम उसे breeze कहते हैं. When air moves fast, it is called a storm. Breeze, storm, cyclone, tornado. Different forms of wind. Our planet Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. The atmosphere is more than 300 kilometer in height. Height में 300 किलोमीटर है. It is much higher than the highest mountains. Highest mountains से भी ज़्यादा ये ऊपर है. Aeroplanes fly a few kilometer high in the atmosphere. Many artificial satellites stay in the upper part of the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us, हमें बचाता है, protect करता है from harmful rays of the sun. The ultraviolet radiations from the sun are very harmful to all living beings. सारी living beings के लिए जो ultraviolet rays radiations होती हैं, जो sun से निकलती हैं, वो बहुत harmful होती हैं. They cause eye problem and skin cancer. If ultraviolet radiations reach the earth's surface, the survival of life would not be possible. However, the presence of atmosphere protects us from the dangerous effects of ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. So, जो atmosphere की presence है वो हमें बचाती है. सूरज की अल्ट्रावायलेट जो रेडिएशंस हैं उनको धरती पर आने नहीं देती. ओके बिकॉज अगर ऐसा होगा तो हमें आई प्रॉब्लम, स्किन कैंसर ऐसी बीमारियां हो सकती हैं. Without atmosphere, the earth would be very hot. There would be no life of any kind on the earth. A soft and gentle wind is called a breeze. I have told you. A breeze makes the weather pleasant. Sea breeze and land breeze make the weather in a coastal areas very pleasant. The weather clock is usually installed on high buildings. It shows the direction in which the air is blowing at that place. Properties of air क्या है? Air occupies space. Air is all around us. हमारे चारों तरफ है but we cannot see it because it has no color. When we fill air into a balloon, the balloon becomes bigger. Even it fills the empty vessels. Since air occupies space, it is used to fill things such as balloons, pillows, footballs, swim tubes and tubes of vehicles. Okay? So, इससे हमें पता चलता है कि air space लेती है. Air has mass. Anything that occupies space has mass. जो space लेता है उसमें वजन भी होता है. Since air occupies space, it has mass. Weigh the mass of a football when it is not inflated. Fill air into it, again weigh it. Okay? So पहले आप जिसमें हवा नहीं भरी हुई उस फुटबॉल का वजन करो, फिर उसमें हवा भरो और फिर दोबारा से उसका वजन करो. Do you observe any change in the mass of the football? The football with air weighs more. Okay? So जिसमें हवा होगी उसका वेट ज़्यादा होगा. Air exerts pressure. Anything that has weight exerts pressure. Since air has weight, it exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure equally in all directions. air pressure can be measured with the help of an instrument called a barometer. So air का pressure हम कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं? barometer के through. Air exerts maximum pressure at sea level. The air pressure decreases with increasing height. जितना जितना height ऊपर होती जाती है, height पर चले जाओगे तो air का pressure कम हो जाएगा. This also explains why it takes longer time to boil rice or dal in a cooker on mountains and hills, क्योंकि air का pressure नहीं होता है. So children, now see here, pressure rises as you go deeper in the ocean. जैसे जैसे हम ocean में deeper जाते हैं, pressure rise होता है. This is because the water becomes denser and denser. The water pressure 10,000 meter below the surface is equivalent to 7 elephants standing on a dinner plate. So the pressure of the air on the outside of your body is balanced by the pressure of fluids inside. जो एयर का प्रेशर है वो हमारी बाहर बॉडी का इसीलिए बैलेंस है क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर फ्लूइड्स का भी प्रेशर है. Without this internal pressure, इस internal pressure के बिना air pressure would crash your body instantly. Now, composition of air. So मतलब air किन किन gases के साथ मिलकर बनी है, क्या उसका composition है. ओके, सो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर 78% नाइट्रोजन है एंड 21% ऑक्सीजन है और 1% अदर गैसेज हैं जैसे कि हीलियम, आर्गन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड अदर रेयर गैसेज. एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेज like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and varying amount of water vapor. Let us find out about some major components of air. Nitrogen. Nitrogen सबसे ज़्यादा है air में. Okay, nitrogen is the major component of the air constituting 78% of it by volume. Okay, it is required by all living organisms for their growth and repair their body parts. So ये required है हमारी growth के लिए और हमारे body part की repairing के लिए. But they cannot obtain nitrogen directly from the air. लेकिन नाइट्रोजन डायरेक्टली हमें एयर से हम नहीं ऑब्टेन कर सकते. लाइटनिंग एंड रेन ऐड नाइट्रोजन टू द सॉइल. ओके, सो जब बिजली लाइटनिंग होती है, बिजली कड़कती है या रेन होती है तो वो नाइट्रोजन सॉइल में ऐड हो जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड सच एज नाइट्रेट्स और निट्रेट्स. ओके, सो प्लांट्स एब्जॉर्ब नाइट्रोजन. प्लांट्स नाइट्रोजन ऑब्जॉर्ब करते हैं कंपाउंड्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल फॉर देयर ग्रोथ. द ग्रीन प्लांट्स स्टोर नाइट्रोजन इन द फूड दे मेक. ग्रीन प्लांट्स नाइट्रोजन को खाने में स्टोर करते हैं जो वो बनाते हैं. एनिमल्स गेट नाइट्रोजन व्हेन दे ईट दिस फूड. इट इज एन एसेंशियल कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. Some plants have special bacteria in their root nodules. These bacteria fix nitrogen. ये जो बैक्टीरिया हैं ये नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स करते हैं from the atmosphere into the soil. Root nodules are found in plants such as pea, gram, beans, etc. The large proportion of nitrogen in the atmosphere dilutes the oxygen. Oxygen को dilute करता है which would otherwise be too concentrated for respiration of living beings. चलिए, oxygen about 21% of the air is oxygen. Air का 21% क्या है? Oxygen है. It is needed by all living organisms to stay alive. It burns the food in our body to release energy. ये हमारे बॉडी में फूड को बर्न करता है एनर्जी को रिलीज कराने के लिए. Oxygen is soluble in water. The aquatic animals like fish absorb oxygen from water. Soils also contain oxygen in the space between particles. Organisms living in soil use this oxygen for their survival. Oxygen is also needed in hospitals to give respiration to patients and during operations. The amount of oxygen decreases as we go higher up. That is why mountaineers and space travelers carry oxygen cylinders with them. इसीलिए जो माउंटेनियर्स होते हैं या जो स्पेस ट्रैवलर्स होते हैं वो अपने साथ ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर को कैरी करते हैं. The amount of oxygen also decreases as we go the deep down in oceans. That is why the divers carry oxygen cylinders with them when they go deep in the ocean. Oxygen is a supporter of burning or combustion. If a burning candle is covered with a vessel to block the supply of air, the candle extinguishes because it does not get oxygen. Antony Lavoisier was born in Paris in 1743. He made so many discoveries that he is called the father of chemistry. Doing many experiments, he stated that air contains two gases. He said that the one called oxygen helped combustion and breathing. The other gas did not. He called the second gas ozone. It is now called nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide makes up only 0.03% of the air. It is vital for the existence of all plant life. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You know this very well. Carbon dioxide is also used as a fire extinguisher as it does not support burning. ये भी burning को support नहीं करता है. It is also used in fizzy drinks like soda water. Solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. It is used as a refrigerant. Carbon dioxide is continuously released in nature when animals breathe out. Plants and animal matter also releases carbon dioxide on burning. Now water vapor. Air also contains water vapor. Water vapor भी होता है air में. When air comes in the contact with a cool surface, it condenses and fine water droplets appear on the cool surface. जब cool surface के contact में air आती है तो वहाँ पर water droplets दिखते हैं. Presence of water vapor is important for water cycle in nature. Okay? So air में जो water vapor है उसकी presence इसलिए important है ताकि nature में water cycle बना रहे. The amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. It varies from time to time and place to place depending upon the weather. In coastal areas, the air has greater percentage of water vapor. So, dust and smoke. Air contains dust and smoke. The amount of dust particle in the air varies from time to time and from place to place. कितना डस्ट होगा ये प्लेस पे भी डिपेंड करता है और टाइम पर भी डिपेंड करता है. When we inhale air through our nose, जब हम नोज के थ्रू एयर को इनहेल करते हैं, फाइन हेयर and mucus inside the nose prevent dust particles from getting into the respiratory organ. Therefore, we should not breathe through our mouth but with our nose. इसीलिए हमें अपनी nose से breathe करना चाहिए, mouth से नहीं. If we breathe through our mouth, dust particles in the air may enter our body. Smoke in the air comes from burning of fuel. You must have seen long chimneys in factories which carry harmful smoke away from people. However, smoke high up in the air is very harmful to birds flying up in the sky. Air contains tiny solid particles. They are particles of sand, dirt, smoke, hair and pollen. There may be living particles such as bacteria and viruses. वो भी होंगे, viruses भी हो सकते हैं, bacterias भी हो सकते हैं. Dust particles are introduced in the air by strong winds. Okay? So जब strong winds चलती हैं तो dust particles उड़ते हैं. They remain suspended in the air for some time. Allow sunlight to enter a dark room by opening the door or window slightly. Okay? थोड़ा सा डोर या विंडो को खोल के एक डार्क रूम में आप सनलाइट को आने दें. Dust particles will be seen floating in the path of sunlight. This shows the presence of dust or solid particles in air. Now, factories in the Chinese city of Banksy produced so much smoke that the city is invisible to satellite. वो city invisible ही हो गई है satellite से. There is so much smoke in Mexico City that breathing air in this city is thought to be as harmful as smoking 40 cigarettes a day. इतना हार्मफुल माना जाता है यहाँ पर सांस लेना कि आपने दिन में 40 सिगरेट्स ली हों. हाउ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऑब्टेन ऑक्सीजन, कैसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑक्सीजन को ऑब्टेन करते हैं. एक्वेटिक एनिमल लाइक फिश एंड लॉबस्टर्स हैव गिल्स टू ट्रैप ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द वाटर, उनके पास गिल्स हैं जिससे वो वाटर से ऑक्सीजन को ट्रैप करते हैं. Mammals such as whales and dolphins cannot dissolve oxygen in water. They come up at the surface of water. वो water के surface पे आते हैं to get oxygen from the air, क्योंकि वो water से नहीं ले सकते. When water enters the body of a fish through its mouth, it flows over the gills. The gills absorb oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay? So जब एक fish के मुंह में वाटर जाता है तो वो फ्लो करता है उसके गिल तक, गिल ऑब्जॉर्ब करते हैं ऑक्सीजन को और फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड्स बाहर निकालते हैं. व्हेन इट रेन्स हेवीली, जब बहुत हैवी रेन होती है, वाटर फिल्स अप ऑल स्पेसेस ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द एयर इन द सॉइल. In this situation, animals living in the soil cannot get oxygen. They have to come out for respiration. Now, balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature. Oxygen in the air is continuously being used by animal during respiration and carbon dioxide is being added to the air. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air during the process of photosynthesis and release oxygen into the air. Okay? So animals जो हैं वो ऑक्सीजन को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकाल रहे हैं. प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं और एट द टाइम ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन. Thus the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through respiration in plants and animals and by the photosynthesis in plants. This also shows the interdependence of plants and animals. Okay, like this. You can see here, this is a cow. Okay, so carbon dioxide, plant release oxygen during photosynthesis, plant and animals breathe in air. और ये ऑक्सीजन ये अपने अंदर इनहेल कर रहे हैं. Now, other uses of air. Some important uses of air are as follows. Wind help in the dispersal of seeds and also in pollination of flowers. Okay? So seeds के dispersal में help करते हैं, flower के pollination के time help होती है. We cannot hear in a vacuum. Air acts as a medium for transmission of sound. Air helps in the movements of sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes and aeroplanes. Okay? So now children, here are the new words from the chapter. Wind, moving air. Breeze, a gentle wind. Barometer, a device to measure air pressure. Atmosphere, the thin layer of air around the earth. So now just wrap up this chapter with some important points. Air is all around of us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Air occupies space and has mass. Air is a mixture of many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Air contains water vapor, dust and smoke. The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through respiration in plants and animals and by photosynthesis in plants. Now, there are exercises. Exercise A, tick the correct option. See point number 1, the inactive constituent of air is nitrogen. Okay? The amount of which of these constituent of air does not vary from place to place? Nitrogen. The gas present in the greatest proportion in air is nitrogen. The gas used for extinguishing fire is चलिए बताइए जल्दी से. The gas for extinguishing fire is carbon dioxide. Which of the following gases protects ultraviolet radiations? Ozone. Which gas supports burning? That is oxygen. Point number 8 is, which animal breathes through gills? Fish. Which gas do plants give out during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Which gas do mountaineers carry in cylinders? Oxygen. Which of the following statement is incorrect? All living things require air to breathe. This is correct. We can feel air but we cannot see it. This is also correct. Moving air makes it possible to fly a kite. This is also correct. Air is present everywhere but not in soil. This is incorrect. Okay. Wind does not help in the movement of which of the following? So the right answer is ceiling fan. So children, these all you will do yourself, okay. So now we see the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words to complete these statements. Now point number 1, land and sea breezes make the weather bare, okay. Air exerts maximum pressure at sea level. Oxygen burns the nutrients and releases energy. Bacteria fix dash from the atmosphere into the soil. Nitrogen. Green plant release oxygen during photosynthesis. The dash makes the windmill rotate. Wind. Air is a mixture of some gases. These two you will do yourself. State whether true or false. Animals get nitrogen from plants. Yes, this is true. Water vapor is essential for the water cycle. This is also true. Tornadoes and cyclones are always destructive. This is false. Air exerts pressure equally in all directions. This is true. Nitrogen makes up only 0.03% of the air. This is false. Carbon dioxide is necessary for burning. This is also false. Okay. Soil contains air. Yes, this is true. Plants consume oxygen for respiration. No, this is false. Plants produce oxygen during the process of making their own food. Yes, this is true. Air does not occupy any space. This is false. Okay. So we go ahead. So children, I hope that this chapter is clear to you. Kindly read it again so that you can give the answer of the questions which we have left here. Thanks for watching. We will meet soon. God bless.